All right, so assets on the what? Left, liabilities on the right. Now, I know why too. The reason I printed this out, because this gives you more examples. But it's cleaner and you got better examples of what an asset really what is. What a liability really is. So they gave you more examples. Ownership in privately owned businesses. Do y'all see that? On the asset side? Ownership in what? Privately owned business. Didn't I tell you that's the number one thing I love? Investing in whose business first? And then other privately owned businesses. I'm telling you, man, that privately owned business, those are the best ones. If you believe in the person and they know what they're doing and don't act on emotion and don't be afraid to tell people no. Okay? Because I know when I say that a lot, people come to me all the time. Well, Brian, I'm launching something. I have to. No. No, I want to keep our friendship. I'm just telling you now. I would never tell you not to do it, but for me to put that kind of money into it, I need you to have about 5 to 6 years of track record. You just can't go on Shark Tank. First question they ask you when they invest in, how are your sales? Who said? Yeah. How are your sales? Y'all was on it, but what the sharks ask you, how your sales been so far? We need to know that for 5, 6 years, you've been doing this your own. Now we're going to take you to the next what? Level. People come up to me like I'm a venture capitalist, that I'm going to start your business. A friend of mine did that. He said, Brian, I'm setting up a GoFundMe. The GoFundMe people got this twisted. It ain't for this. We all need GoFundMe. That's what he said. I'm setting up a GoFundMe. I need $4,000. You know, when I see a GoFundMe, I want to see a sad story. Some kids need some help. A mother lost, house burned down. A father did this. Oh man, we need to come together. This is just terrible. Not, you know, I need $4,000. I'm launching my business. Trust me. We all do. So you got to have some equity in something before somebody else come along and take you to the next level. They want to see how you've been doing on your own. This is a polite way of saying, don't come up to me with your ideas if you can't show me your track record. Okay? Let's go to sheet 3.